What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Coming at you all with my release recap for Supreme Week 2. Now, I wasn't super excited for anything releasing this week. You could probably tell from my drop list review. I wasn't super hyped for anything that's releasing, but I did still try and go for a couple of things. Now, the first item I went for this morning was the black Nike crew neck. That was kind of, if I got it, that was the one item that I wanted this week, but unfortunately that was a bust. I just was not prepared this morning, so I didn't get that piece, and that was completely my fault. It wasn't like the bots or anything. I'm not going to say that because it was just me. Like, I wasn't prepared. So regardless of whether the bots ate stock or not, I wasn't getting that crew neck. The second item that I wanted to go for today was the pewter mini flask, and thankfully that sat for a little while, so I was able to get my shit together and then try and check out that flask. And I did. I got the checkout. So the pewter mini flask, you will be seeing an unboxing, a review on that coming up. I did not go for the metal chair. I know a lot of people wanted the metal chair, and at $48, that was a great pickup for the personal as well as for the resale. I can definitely see those doing, at least $120, and depending on where you resell and if you're able to hold it, you'll probably end up being able to sell for higher than that. If you did want something from that Supreme and Nike collaboration, you might have a second chance. Nike normally does their own release of their Supreme and Nike collaboration, so if Nike does their release, we'll be seeing that soon, and you'll have a second chance to go ahead and pick that up. Honestly, I probably won't go for the crew neck again. It was something that if I hit on it, I hit on it, and if I didn't, oh well, I'm not too mad about it. So that was my Supreme Week 2. Let me know down below in the comment section, what did you go for today? Did you catch a W? Did you take an L? And also, if you enjoyed today's video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check you all out in the next one.